was teachers going around that time. There was travelling teachers, music teachers, and there was dancing teachers, and they'd come round maybe twice a month or that, and there were everyone got a fiddle because they wanted to learn it, and then some of them learned it and some of them didn't. But the fiddle remained in the house, you see. I know a good bit of the Killavil musicians, Fred and Peter and Dick Brennan and Michael Coleman was probably Gurchin and Noel Tansey. And I played with all them musicians many moons ago. There was great gatherings at that time, and there was no music in the pubs that time. It was all in the houses and maybe schools, Sligo is known for its fiddle playing and you have the likes of Michael Coleman, James Morrison and Paddy Killoran, all them, you see. They made the Sligo music popular. It's an easy tune to play, but it's a very good tune at the same time. And a lot of these tunes that easy plays, they're still very good tunes, Killavil was one of the ones you'd love to get anyway if you hadn't it, you'd have to struggle to get it. I live right at the foot of Knocknashee. There's a nice walkway up that hill now at the fair side. I'm the opposite side now of the walkway, so you could go up the walkway and come down our side. And we have the tea ready for you. The Killavil jig is a tune I learned myself as a youngster, and I passed it on to my children who play, and now I'll try and play it myself.